Greetings from Björnö Nature Reserve, this beautiful, wild, rocky beach at the very end of Björnö Nature Reserve. That is also classified as unofficial nudist beach due to its characteristics. And I have been running 6 kilometers to reach this spot from Lilla Sand, one of the Björno Sandarna beautiful sandy beaches, and it is my second time that I'm exploring this spot actually. So it's a beautiful rocky beach that you can find your own inner peace and enjoy the beautiful day. Today is 25th of July. We have currently 23 degrees Celsius in the air, and the sea is 21 degrees Celsius. And look at the sea, it looks absolutely amazing and beautiful indeed. So here in this beautiful nature you can enjoy full day out on the sun with beach adventures, of course. So yes, Björnö Nature Reserve is located around 30 kilometers from central Stockholm, and you can visit it either by car, by bicycle also if you're experienced cyclist, or by public transport. There are frequent departures, but for this spot here you will need to walk a bit from the bus station, around probably 4 kilometers from the main road. For me it was a bit longer because I was running from Lilla Sand, which is 2 bus stops away. So now I'm a bit sweaty from the run, so let's then explore and enjoy in this nudist beach, unofficial, I would say again. So it is a bit tricky to get in here, I remember from last year, but I will find a way for sure, believe me. And I just love this type of wild beaches. It is so amazing and so beautiful. Yes, as I'm showing you around, I forgot to mention that this is beach day number 104 of my Sweden beach adventures this year, and I am so happy that July now finally turned out to be a better month, as it was quite a disappointment the first half of the month. So let's see if we're gonna have also the same in August. But this looks absolutely amazing here. Look at it. Brilliant. Isn't it amazing? For sure. So beautiful. All right, let's then embark to the unknown and take a swim here in the Baltic Sea. We have here some seaweed at the entrance that's attached to the rocks, so it will be quite convenient to get here in, despite the slippery the slippery rocks. All right, let's then say ready, set, go! Oh my god, that's so amazing, so beautiful. Ah, I feel alive when I'm surrounded by this beautiful nature in the Björnö Nature Reserve and out on the open sea on the Stockholm archipelago with thousands and thousands of islands. So yes, it's so amazing in the sea. The sea is salty as well, and you can see. And yes, Värmdö municipality has definitely one of the best beaches. It is my favorite municipality with the best beaches in the Stockholm region, for sure. And yes, cool. Then I will be enjoying a bit more here before I head back for another 6-kilometer run. And let's see if I will explore a few more beaches on the way back, because the weather is amazing. So yeah, this is the unofficial nudist beach in the Björnö Nature Reserve, where you can be on your own. Right, thank you so much for watching then this episode with me. This is Beach Adventures with Chris. I'm showing you different beaches around the world, but mostly in Sweden, Stockholm specifically. So thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.